When I first started learning about investing, I had no idea who to trust. Everyone online had a different opinion, and it was overwhelming. Then I discovered Warren Buffett, a man who turned simple, straightforward ideas into a staggering $100 billion fortune, and the crazy part. His rules are so simple that even I could understand and apply them. Today I'm breaking down the top 5 investing rules I learned from Buffett that completely transformed how I think about money forever. The first rule hit me like a truck: never lose money. It sounds obvious, but when I looked back at my past mistakes, I realized I was doing the exact opposite, chasing hype, buying things I barely understood, and hoping they'd go up. This rule made me rethink everything. Now I treat every dollar like a soldier sent to war. I expect it to come back with reinforcements. Before investing, I ask myself, how do I protect my downside? What can go wrong? Because losing money isn't just losing cash, it's losing precious time, and time is the most valuable asset of all. Buffett's next rule I once ignored but now swear by is never invest in a business you don't understand. Early on, I fell for every flashy trend, crypto, NFTs, random tech stocks, without knowing how they made money. Buffett avoided tech for years, not because he hated it, but because he didn't understand it well enough, sticking to what he knew: Coca-Cola, banks, insurance, boring but reliable cash machines. Since adopting this rule, if I can't explain how a business works in one sentence, I walk away. Another rule that flipped my mindset completely is, be fearful when others are greedy and greedy when others are fearful. I used to panic during market dips like everyone else, but now I see those red days as golden opportunities. When the market crashes and everyone runs, that's when Buffett shops, buying pieces of real businesses at a discount. It's tough, but staying calm during fear is where the best deals are found. Patience is another Buffett superpower. Our favorite holding period is forever. At first, I thought forever was unrealistic, but now I understand. He doesn't trade stocks. He buys businesses with strong fundamentals and holds them for years, sometimes decades. Since thinking long-term, I stress less, check my portfolio less, and make better decisions, because time compounds wealth like nothing else. And finally, this isn't just about investing, it's about lifestyle. Buffett is worth billions, but still lives in the same house he bought in 1958, drives a modest car, and eats McDonald's. For him, wealth isn't about luxury, it's about freedom. He once said, "Do not save what is left after spending. Spend what is left after saving." And that changed how I budget. Now I have to pay myself first, invest consistently, and keep my lifestyle simple, not because I have to, but because real wealth is built that way. These 5 rules sound simple, but following them changed everything for me. They taught me to think long-term, avoid hype, protect my capital, and live smart. You don't need to be rich to apply them, just disciplined. If you're serious about building lasting wealth, start here. Which rule hit you hardest? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you want more real, no-fluff finance wisdom that helps you grow, hit that like button and subscribe. Also, if you want to deepen your understanding, I highly recommend reading The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham and Poor Charlie's Almanack by Charlie Munger, 2 timeless books that shaped Buffett's philosophy and can transform yours too. See you in the next video.